Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have secant of t squared minus 1. This one we change by tan t squared, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dx equals to secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one gone here and here. dx we change by this one. This one that is about tan t squared. And this one you got about tan t. Now we simplified and we have dt over secant of t. And we know that secant of t that is about 1 over cosine t. So this one you got cosine t. The integration of cosine t that is about sine t, and I will put about c. About t that is about this one, and we got about t equal to arcsecant of s, and I will put this one to change for t. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.